Hi, I'm Ken Leba with InsurTech Express. Yes, I need a haircut, and my regular glasses are in the other room, so I have my old Nikes. I kind of like these, they're kind of cool and comfortable, though my family prefer the other glasses. Okay, why are we here today? Well, this is another tech tip, and today's tip is about using Gemini in Google Apps. And today, a very simple using it for composing emails using Gmail. So, as I've said in other videos, that our company, InsurTech Express, has Google Workspace. The reason we're all set up on Google is because A, it's less expensive than Microsoft, and B, we don't have a full time chief technology officer, and it's much easier for setting up and using collaboration with the Google tools. And therefore, our whole company runs on Google Workspace. So, here's our tech tip. I'm opening up Google Calendar in my Google Chrome browser. And tomorrow morning, I have an internal Navigator AI meeting with our team, and I want to send them an email. So if I click on the calendar event, there is an option to email all the guests. The problem with this window is there's no AI capabilities. Gemini is not built into this feature. So what I need to do is I need to click this copy button, copy email addresses to the clipboard. And then I go to my Gmail window here, click compose, and I'm going to paste the recipients. Now, to get Gemini, I need to maximize this window. And in the body of the email, it says help me write. I'm going to click on help me write, and a little window opens up at the bottom. Now, I'm a little lazy. I don't like to type too much, and I don't see a microphone button here. So I'm on a MacBook Air, so I'm going to use the dictation feature and turn that on with my keyboard shortcut, hitting my control key twice. Write a professional email to the team for our Navigator AI meeting tomorrow morning. Here is the agenda for the meeting. First item is website update. Next, conference assets. Next, software discounts. Next, WorkSmart tools. And the last topic is user growth strategy. Now I'm going to hit the create button to see a draft, see what it comes up with. Dear team, this email is a reminder about our Navigator AI meeting tomorrow morning. Below is the agenda for our discussion. And there are bullet points for that. I look forward to our productive meeting. Best regards, Ken. Now, I could refine it by formalizing, elaborating, or shortening it, but I think it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit the insert button. And then reminder, Navigator AI meeting tomorrow. And I hit my right arrow, and it filled in the subject for me automatically. And then I just hit the send button. Well, I hope you found this useful. Little education on AI and email using Google Gmail. And look forward to our next tech tip. Thank you.